Hello everyone, you're most welcome in this tutorial, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can withdraw money from Fiverr to your Payoneer account. So yeah, watch this video till the end. You can see like balance available in my like Fiverr account $32. So yeah, I'm going to withdraw that money. So simply you have to click on withdrawal balance. Okay, so yeah, bank transfer. Within second, it will transfer in your bank account. And now you can see, click on continue and withdrawal. And now you can see this message. Click on that's it. It was very small tutorial, but yeah, it will helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video.